Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. Dear students, I am teaching you concept of light. So I'm going to discuss with you theoretically the first theory put forward by Sir Isaac Newton. The name of the theory is Newton's corpuscular theory of light, or it is also known as corpuscular theory of light. Simply, basically it was put forward by Sir Isaac Newton, right? Well, dear students, basically whenever we wish to define something, we have to make and we have to develop its concept. Sir Isaac Newton has put forward his theory by naming corpuscular theory. Corpuscle, basically a particle which travels in a straight line. So this theory says light travels in straight line, and it emanates in all directions but in straight line with speed of light 3 into 10 to raise power 8 meter per second. Some of the students put a question to me, sir, who determined the speed of light? Well, the speed of light was experimentally first measured by Michelson octagonal mirror method. So it was an octagonal mirror method. One day I will definitely explain this. Okay, let it be in the pending section because we will deviate from corpuscular theory then, right? So the corpuscles, they have an elastic collision. Means one corpuscle has got an elastic collision with another corpuscle. They have an elastic collision, and due to inertia they travel in straight line. Well, actually Sir Isaac Newton has played a very vital role in mechanics, that is why that mechanics is called classical mechanics. And one according to Newton, one corpuscle collide with another corpuscle, and that is purely what? That is purely an elastic collision. There is no loss of energy. So that explains the propagation of light. Then Newton corpuscular theory at that time, like I'll tell you one thing in some very Vipinsharma way. Let me tell you one thing. What is Vipinsharma way? Suppose at that time there is a media, like we have media now, right? And suppose Sir Isaac Newton is in today's era, suppose. Then there will be a headline, breaking news. Newton has given corpuscular theory. Shh, breaking news, right? It will hit on all media, This is channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. Sir Newton has put forward corpuscular theory, right? It is going to be in every media, like it is published. Now, as you see on the television, people sit in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 chairs and they start discussing, and Newton sir is also there. And Newton sir is asked a question by one of the reporter scientists. Sir, light travels in a straight line. How do you explain this? Well, Newton's answer at that time: look, light travels in the form of corpuscles. Corpuscle has got inertia, and inertia of direction is there, so light travels in straight line. Okay, then another scientist reporter will say, sir, you have explained light travels in a straight line. Sir, how reflection takes place? Newton sir will say, look, when light corpuscle is just like a ball, you know, light corpuscle is just like a ball. If you throw a ball on the wall, it comes back. So that is reflection. Okay, means the corpuscles are traveling in straight line. They strike with the wall, they come back. है ना? Reflection. Okay. So how shadows are there? Newton will say, see, you might have seen Rajnikant sir, in Rajnikant sir movies, he's firing, Rajnikant sir, after when the bullets are over, he will say, Yanna Raska, there are 6 bullets for you. Same way as Rajnikant sir stops the bullets and collects in the hand, similarly corpuscles when they strike, when they strike the hand, they comes back and a shadow is cast. Suppose you do one thing, you place your hand like this and throw paint. When you throw paint, then what happens? That paint is going to be stopping that. When that paint is going to stop that, that is what called shadow. That is called what? Shadow. So this is shadow. Then you ask about the dispersion. When you talk about the dispersion takes place when number of corpuscle particles, they are bombarded on a system, and there is a collision with the another particles. Then the like elastic collision in more than one dimensions, like in elastic collision 2 dimensions. So dispersion takes place. Then students, how is there is a refraction when corpuscles travels from one media to another media, means from rarer to denser, then they shrink, okay, like cricket ball. So that is how the refraction takes place. Then students, later this theory was discarded because there is light which travels in vacuum, and in vacuum there are no corpuscles. The Newton sir later stage it was not able to explain. When at that time Newton sir was basically the credit goes to him because he put forward the concept. So hope it is clear. So this is a very simple way of first theory I put forward with you, the corpuscular theory of light. Thank you very much. Well students, if you have any doubt, don't forget to ask me, and I will upload more theories in sequence. Thank you all. God bless you. Wishing you very healthy life. Stay fit and fine, and work very hard. Keep always revising. Wise always revise. Goodbye.